my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, y'all, we back. It's the boy, LXRY254. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Unfortunately, today it's like cloudy. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do when I get off work. I'm gonna wait. But basically, what I was gonna do is gonna put these in the sun for y'all, man, so you can see the difference. So temporarily, I'm gonna just use that. I'm gonna just use this light. I know it's not the actual representation, but it'll probably get you closer than we was over there. So we right up under the light. So what we got here is the blue for the box Chevy Landau with no silver. This is just a straight up color. You can tell how it's a little bit darker, etc., etc. Over here, we got the blue over silver. Same color, just applied different ways. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Then we got our beige looking color for the colors. We got that one over the silver. I was trying to see if you could really tell a difference. This still doesn't make the biggest difference to me. Like I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with that. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks good. I mean, my biggest thing either way was just not to have to if I can get away without doing the dough jams and shit, then I ain't want to fuck with it. So that's that color over silver. And then let me show you the color over, yeah. And so this is just the regular color, 2 coats sprayed. I actually got some overspray on it when I was doing the other ones. So this is like the beige over silver. And then you got, this is just the beige, no silver. But like I said, this color is just not fucking popping for me, bro. Like, but I don't know, I guess I get it. At this point, I'm like, fuck it, I'll just leave that bitch like this for now. On my mama, on my hood. Cause like I said, ain't none of these colors ain't appealing to me like that. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna just change. I think I'm gonna change the name of Yellow Boy, man. I think Yellow Boy is I think it's gonna be the Cutlass. The Cutlass formerly known as Yellow Boy, nigga. And we're gonna paint that bitch. We can paint, we'll paint the fucking two-door box this color, and then paint the two-door Cutlass this color. That way, it'll kind of be 2 different blues, or no. I mean, you can see that is 2 different blues. Like, let me take them bitches out in the light. Take them to the light. But yeah, see, you can see the difference. Like I say, I hate that the fucking sun ain't out the way it need to be. It's all cloudy and shit today. But yeah, see, this is just the blue no blue, or blue no chaser, whatever you want to call it. And then you got what you call it? Then you got the blue over silver. But the bitch ain't, you can't really tell, bro, because it's fucking cloudy. So we'll revisit it another day, but I ain't want to hold this video up all because it's decided to be clouded today. But like I said, that was the reasoning of doing that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my gun bud. Gun bud can really shed the light on it. No, this video is not sponsored. So that's what it looks like with the gun bud on it. And then versus this one, see that motherfucker's popping. And that's what we call the Black Rain candy effect. I know that he probably didn't come up with the shit, but he the one to put me on, so that's what the fuck I'ma call it. The Black Rain candy effect. That bitch is pressure. Ain't it? Bro, that bitch is pressure. Like, you can tell the dude, like, that's all dark. Then when the light hit that motherfucker, yeah, that bitch sexy, dog. Ooh, that bitch sexy. All right, man, well, we ain't finna drag this shit out, man. Like I said, I'm probably finna cancel Christmas on Yellow Boy. And, cancel Christmas on Yellow Boy, and fucking it might be a dark blue Cutlass and then a light blue fucking box Chevy. I don't know. I hate how I got them runs right there. I'll be more, I mean, of course, when I paint the car, it'll have to be a little bit, I'll be more, I probably won't have those areas. But yeah, I just went on too hard with it. But yeah, that's sexy. That is sexy. What else we got? I want to say that's it, man. Like, this is gonna wrap up our painting endeavors for a minute. We pretty much set on our colors, I believe. As much as I want to do a red, I don't want to do a red. Like, I would love to just paint the colors red and then leave the guts that way. Like, leave the guts where they are and paint that bitch red, bro. Cause I really don't want to have two cars that's like the same color. These two right here is like already kind of close. I mean, it's like a darker blue, technically. Yeah, so from that blue to that blue, I mean, those is kind of close. And then you got that one's gonna be a blue, but that's gonna be a bright ass blue. Then you got this one, which is gonna be, I don't know, 8 ball is gonna stay 8 ball because I love that color on there. And then I really kind of want to go red, bro. I really want to go red. I'm gonna make a poll, and y'all can fucking let me know. But I think I'm about to cancel Christmas on Yellow Boy. Sad face.